Did you know two Beach Boys once walked out of a world-famous museum with the largest sapphire on Earth? It was 1964. Jack Murphy and Alan Kuhn were regulars at New York's most exclusive parties. Handsome, charming, completely above suspicion. So when they spotted an unlocked window at the American Museum of Natural History, they climbed right in. They walked out with the 563-carat Star of India and 24 other priceless gems stuffed into a bag like they owned the place. No alarms, no guards, no problem. But within 48 hours, police had them both in cuffs. The real shock came after the arrest. Murphy and Kuhn didn't just know the party circuit, they were connected to a surprisingly organized criminal network running quietly beneath New York's glamorous surface. Returning the gems wasn't simple either. It turned into a ransom negotiation, with lawyers and middlemen and phone calls going back and forth across the city. Most of the jewels were eventually recovered. The Star of India sits in that same museum today,